Hello friends, this is Dhirendra and you are watching your very own channel English Junction. In the previous session, we started the study of tenses and I undertook present indefinite tense in that session. Now continuing that thing, today we will be doing present continuous tense, that is also called present progressive tense, and we would also be learning the functions of present continuous tense, verbs and main verbs that are used in this. Before continuing with this, I would like to request all of you to subscribe to the channel if you have not done yet. And yes, if you find the video useful, helpful to you and the people you know, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and if possible, share it with others. Thank you. So let's begin with present continuous tense, that is also called present progressive tense. Now students, before learning what is a present continuous and what are its functions, we need to understand the verbs that are used to frame a sentence in present continuous tense. So helping verbs that are used in present continuous tense are am, is, are. Am will be used with I, is will be used with he, she, it and other singular nouns, and are will be used with you, we, they and other plural nouns which will serve as subject. So we have three helping verbs and they are am, is, are. Now this is for affirmative sentence, negative sentence as well as interrogative sentence. Now let's see the use of main verbs. The only main verb that is used in a present continuous tense is ing form of the main verb, that is present form with ing. Now some examples of this present form with ing are like running, going, coming, reading, etc. So we will always use the ing form of the main verb for affirmative sentence, negative sentence and interrogative sentence with I, with singular subjects and with plural subjects. So only one main verb is to be used for all kinds of subjects and for all kinds of sentences. Now let's have a look at the functions of present progressive tense or present continuous tense. So you can see here that one of the functions performed by present continuous tense is it shows temporary action in progress at the time of speaking. Means when the speaker is speaking the sentence, at that time some action which is temporary in nature is going on. It is continuing, it is not over yet. So it is in progress. For example, Suraj is flying a kite. Now you can see that is the helping verb over here because Suraj is singular subject and we have used ing form of the main verb. Now this sentence shows that the action of flying a kite is still going on and this is temporary action because Suraj will fly kite for some time and then he would take rest. So it denotes temporary action in progress. The second function is it denotes some future action. Now the future action can be denoted in present indefinite as well as present continuous tense. How? Let us see. My uncle is coming here tomorrow. Now the sentence is in present continuous. As you can see with the use of is and ing form of the main verb, but it is not talking about some present action. The action is regarding future, that the uncle will be coming tomorrow. So instead of saying this sentence in future, the statement is in present continuous tense. So mind it, present continuous is also used to denote some future action. My uncle is coming here tomorrow, our new boss is arriving next week, like that. Now the third function of present continuous tense is when used with always, may express an idea not liked by speaker. It means that when present continuous is used with the word always, it may denote an idea which is not liked by the speaker. Now let us understand this function with the help of an example. Jayant is always playing Ludo. Now the sentence is in present continuous tense, as you can see, is has been used, playing has been used. Now the speaker wants to say that the habit of Jayant playing Ludo always is unpleasant for him. So he finds that playing Ludo, which is a habit of Jayant, is not good. So mind it that when present continuous tense is used with always, it may denote an idea which is not liked by the speaker. So these are the three functions of present continuous tense. It denotes temporary action in progress. It also denotes some future action. It also denotes that when it is used with always, it may denote an idea which is not liked by the speaker. So these are the three functions. Now just have a recap of present continuous tense. Helping verbs is RM, is with singular subject, whether it is a pronoun or noun, am with I, and are with plural subjects, and main verb will be in the ing form, that is the first form or the present form with ing, and the functions are over here. Now let's have a quick recap of present continuous with the help of some examples. She is singing a folk song. It is an affirmative sentence. She is singular subject, is has been used, and singing, ing form of the main verb is used. She is not singing a folk song. Now it is a negative sentence. Again, is will be used, singing will be used, and not will be used between helping verb and main verb. And then the same sentence has been converted into interrogative sentence. Is she singing a folk song? Now when the sentence is having a plural subject, boys, then we are going to use are. Boys are running in the field. Interrogative, are boys running in the field? Now this sentence, our neighbor is going to Agra next week. Now this sentence shows some future action, but it is in present continuous. So our neighbor is going to Agra next week. And the last sentence, my dog is always running after bones. Now the sentence is in present continuous but used with always, and this shows that I don't like the idea of my dog always running after bones. So this shows that the speaker, that is me, I am not I do not like the idea of my dog just running after bones. So this is all about present continuous tense. I hope you must have understood all the concepts regarding helping verbs, main verbs, affirmative, negative, interrogative sentences, and the functions of present continuous. One final word of advice and my suggestion to you is keep on practicing. As I told you in the earlier video that English grammar and maths are similar. They say that if you leave me for 1 day, I leave you for 2 days. So keep on practicing. The more you practice, the better you gain knowledge in English grammar, and you perfect the skill of English. So once again, thank you for watching this video, being with me in this journey of learning. Thank you.